Hi everyone, Dr. Simon Fryler here, consultant in clinical neurophysiology. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted, primarily related to looking after COVID patients in terms of the neurophysiology, or alternatively trying to catch up. And as you can see, I'm fully PPE'd up over here for routine outpatient investigations, and this is part of the new normal. I specifically want to talk about face coverings, as specifically again from the 24th of July, it's going to be illegal to go into a UK shop without wearing a facial covering. Regardless of the mixed messaging that has gone on and some justifiable questions as regards to the science behind them, the bottom line here is that we are in the midst of a horrible pandemic, and we need to do whatever we can to reduce the risk of transmission of this virus from one person to the next. Whether you believe in coronavirus or whether you don't believe in coronavirus, this virus believes in us. All it wants to do is to replicate itself, and to do that it needs our bodies. We know that there are various ways in which we can reduce that risk, and facial covering is one of a number. Social distancing, washing your hands, clearly super important, but facial coverings are now recognised as being one of the ways in which we can reduce the risk of transmission. It really doesn't make a difference as to where you stand politically with this one. It's just something which is just part now of civil society and the way with which we interact with other people. I would also say that perhaps one can consider a facial covering as a symbol of where you stand in terms of your corona safety. If I'm sat on a bus or a train or inside a shop and I'm next to somebody who has not got one on, as far as I'm concerned, they're not taking this seriously. You need to be able to take this seriously. You need to be able to show other people that you're taking this seriously, and that's why I am strongly urging anyone who's watching this to please wear a facial covering. I know a lot of you are based in the United States who are watching these videos. It's awful what's going on. It's absolutely awful. I mean, at the moment we're talking over 70,000 cases a day. It just blows the mind, and the number of preventable deaths is just tragic. That's the only word I can use for this. Whatever you believe, forget about it. Just put one of these things on, please. Just for the love of humanity, please wear one. I want to wish you all continued good health, and hopefully when things are a little bit more settled, we can have some more usual content in the future. So much love from me to all of you, and all the very best.